by the way, this is the whale agent that we built yesterday. So right now it's just a voice agent as well. But I think these voice agents are super helpful because I don't want to be flipping through screens and like doing all this stuff in order to just see what the if there's any whales or what the sentiment is. I want to just be able to hear that and still step on the gas. I just want cursor open all day with the AI open, and I want to hear the things I need to hear, you know? So I think this is a very cool way to start this off. To just have these audio agents that are telling us data that are needed, and that data is the same data that's needed to trade off of. So if I build these agents to start like this sentiment and this one as audio, it has all of the routing, all the gutter stuff needed in order to be a trading agent too. So double win there. That's fire. Analyze and announce sentiment here. You can see we're announcing the sentiment change. Here you can say if it's very positive, positive, or slightly negative, and that could be changed up as well. It looks like we're able to change the scores. We can change the sayings, of course. And yeah, dude, I'm excited to see what you build because I'm just on day zero with this, and now we have this agent, and we could use it for any type of use, dude. And you have all of the code because if I have the code, you have the code, dude. I believe code is a great equalizer. I believe if this gets you excited to learn how to code, that's gonna change your life. Get tweets, dude. Get tweets. This is how we get the tweets. So I think that's a huge win too for everybody. You know how to get tweets now. I just battled with it for 4 or 5 hours and now you get it for free. Let's get it, dude. We're on line 357. So there's a lot of code here, but I also will make sure that it's in the GitHub, of course. And then every day I'm just going to keep pushing new stuff to the GitHub. So I hope you star it. I hope you fork it. I hope you run it to the moon, dude, because there are so many ideas that are you're able to execute on because I've already built so much stuff and now I'm just building for these agents, dude, and I'm doing it in public. So you could let your agents get busy with it too. Nothing is plug and play. You're not gonna just plug and play anything on the GitHub. You know that. And you're not gonna just make money off of plug and play stuff ever. Read this, of course. Pause the video if you can. Read that disclaimer, dude. So I don't want to like hype it up too much that you think that it's gonna be plug and play, make $1 million. You know, I always say if there's $1 million in the corner and as many subscribers or watchers there are, dude, if I told everybody about $1 million, I'd be gone quick. You know that. So nobody's gonna give you a profitable bot. Nobody's gonna give your agents a profitable bot. This ultimate abundance thing that's being talked about for AI, that's not happening either. Sorry, it's the people that got the edge that can feed it to their agents or build agents that have edge or find their own edge. They'll protect it as well. But you see all the code for the sentiment agent. I think that's everything that you need to see because I run this code from here in this file, but you could also run it from the main.py just like the other bots are run. So you can see here, or the other AIs are running. You can see them here. Sentiment, I could have it as true, or I could just have it as false and run it from my other file. Either way, they both work. But yeah, let me just show you the structure of the GitHub really quickly. So when you do grab it, like I'm trying to put all my code here because this is where my agents are going to be working from. They're going to see all this code and they're going to be able to build anything. Of course, we're still on like day 3, day 5, day 6. I don't know, day 7. What day is it? It's the 9th day of the year. So I guess we're on day 9. Damn, time flies, bro. Damn, that's crazy. Anyways, here's the GitHub, easy to get to, moondev.com. You get the GitHub. You also get this roadmap that I put my all into, bro. Everything's here. This is like an ever-growing book. It shows you step by step how to approach algo trading. It gives you my Discord, answers so many questions that you have if you're interested in this. I show you my trading framework, which is the RBI framework, which is essentially the process I'm trying to teach my agents because I've taught for a couple years and I've done this for multiple years. So it's just like, why wouldn't I have agents attacking this, dude? It's research first, so agents can definitely research for alpha generation. I feel like if you run them long enough, they're gonna find something. They can backtest because they can code. Yes, fire, fire, fire. And then if it works, they can implement. We'll see about that. So there's just some pieces, but I've been kind of hacking at this for a while. I built the RBI framework. I built the research and the backtesting agent almost 18 months ago. So I'll make sure that's in there too. I'm gonna get that built into the GitHub because I think that is so sick to get into your hands. So I'm gonna put it on the list, RBI agent. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow or something. But I want to keep this video short. I know it's already getting long, so much love to you. This is all of the code. Please do go grab the GitHub and read through this to understand kind of the vision, the hypothesis, the concept. I'm going to make some video updates. There's all the updates are going to be in this YouTube playlist. So just save this playlist or whatever, and you'll be able to see all the updates. And I'm trying to make some short ones as well because I understand some people just don't have the time, dude. So if you don't have the time to watch the 4 hour one, watch the 20-minute one. And I'm trying to make these all under 20 minutes, just short, concise. Okay, this is the new agent. That's the agent we dropped today. So if you go to source, that's where all the code lives. And then let's go ahead and make sure the agent is up there. So how do you do that? I want to show you this part too, dude, because I was scared of GitHub for 4 years. Everybody's like, where's your code? Show it on GitHub. And I'm like, dude, I can't even do GitHub, dude. That's too scary for me. But I could do it now, and I believe in you too, dude. This is how we share. I believe lead it with love. You can have anything in this world, dude, and it's so beautiful how developers just share all their code. They share all of it on GitHub, and I'm over here like, damn, I can't share mine because I don't even know how to use GitHub. But I know how to use GitHub now, so thank you for your patience. Thank you for your love. I really love it. I love it here. I'm so grateful to be here, and thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm trying to make these videos shorter, and as I'm saying that, I am yapping, so I'm gonna stop yapping. But much love. 777 git commit message, and I'm gonna say added the created a sentiment agent, created a sentiment agent. So that's not too hard. It's just some weird things you have to remember, and then git push origin main is the hardest thing for me to remember, but that's how you do it, dude. That's how you upload to GitHub. And now if I go ahead and I hit refresh here, you can see created a sentiment agent. So in the agents here, you could go ahead and see the sentiment agent and all of the code that we just went over. I just walked you through all that code, dude. It's like 300 lines or something. It's just what I built today, dude. So much love to you. I hope you find some cool stuff with it, dude. Join the Discord. Join the Discord for sure. Let us know what you find, dude. What you build, dude. And so that's that file. And the scripts is the other file to log into the Twitter. And then you got your .env example here that should be updated as well. You can see it there. So all of this is available here on the GitHub. Just hit star and fork and you got it, dude.